Hello everyone, let's start with the problem. Let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Program 5 star. And in this video, I'll be solving the 19th problem. And the problem name is the three topics. The chef has reached the final of the annual inter-school declamation contest. For the finals, students were asked to prepare 10 topics. Okay. However, chef was only able to prepare 3 topics numbered A, B, and C. He is totally blank about the other topics. Got it? This means chef can only win the contest if he gets the topic A, B, or C to speak about. On the contest day, chef gets topic X. Determine whether chef has any chance of winning the competition. Print yes if it is possible for chef to win the contest, else no. Okay, we can print in any order. Input format: the first and only line of input will contain a single line containing 4 space separated integers a, b, c, and x. So let us take int a, b, c, and x. We'll take into input a, b, c, x. In this case, they have not given any test cases. Okay, I mean a number of test cases within the main function. Okay, so let's understand with the example. The first example is 2373. Okay, so first example says 2373. So a is equal to 2 3, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 7, d is equal to 3. So chef was given 10 topics to be prepared, out of which chef only prepared these topics 2, 3, and 7. And in the contest they have asked the question about the topic 3. So will he able to speak or not is the question. So as you can see, chef has prepared already for topic 3. So if he gets any question or anything to speak about on chef 3, he will be able to speak about. So we can say yes. This is the first case. Second case, let's understand. 4685. 4685. A here is 4, B here is 6, C here is 8, D here is 5. So chef was able to prepare only these 4, 6, and 8 topics, but they had asked the question on the topic 5. So chef will not be able to answer this. In this case, we'll have to return no. So basically, what you will have to do is we'll have to see if A equals to X, or B equals to X, or C equals to X. If these are the conditions, then in that case we'll have to print yes. Else, since X is not matching with any of the topic that chef has read about, so in that case we'll have to output no. So let's try to code it up. So we'll have to check condition here. If A equals to X, or B equals to X, or C equals to X, in that case we'll be able to chef will be able to answer the questions. Else he will not be able to answer if the question asks is apart from ABC. Let's try to run the code. So for this case we are getting yes. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So this was pretty much easy problem only. So basically we need to check if A is equal to X, which means the topics read by the chef is ABC. So we need to check if the question is asked from either from ABC or not. So we need to check equality. So we'll have to check if A is equal to A, B is equal to A is equal to X, B is equal to X, C is equal to X. In that case yes, or else no. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.